How to make a one-click shutdown and restart button for Windows PC. By default, if you want to shut down your PC, you come to this place, then you click on this button, you click on shutdown or restart your PC. But what if you can do that using the desktop version? It's very simple. Just watch this video till the end. Right click on desktop, over your mouse to new, then click on shortcuts. It comes out like this. Carefully write this code: shutdown space /x space /t space 0. So this is to shut down. Then to restart, you change this T to R. Now click on next button. It comes out like this. Write shutdown, leave it like that, then click on finish. Now you've created this here. Now then right click on the shortcut you created, right click on it, click on properties, comes out like this. Click on change icon, it comes out like this. Then click on this power button, click on OK, click on apply. Now you can see that once you click on the apply button, it has changed this to the power button. Now click on advanced button here, check this button to run as administrator, then click on OK, click on apply again, then click on OK. Now right click here, run as administrator. Now click on yes. By doing that, you'll be able to shut down your PC. Click on shut down anyway. That's all, guys. You'll be able to shut down your PC. If you enjoyed this tip and you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.